Laced Interactive is located less than 15 miles from all major Hollywood studios, from Universal Studios to Sony Pictures Entertainment to Paramount and Warner Brothers Studios. We are in the heart of arguably the best talent pool in the world for motion pictures, television, and emerging media. The beautiful beach community of Redondo sits along the ocean in Los Angeles County, only 10 minutes south of Los Angeles International Airport. Laced Interactive is located at 114 South Catalina Avenue in Redondo Beach, California. Laced Interactive is a full-service interactive agency, building brands in the digital space. We specialize in helping clients build great brands by creating and deploying interactive solutions, content, community, and commerce that people love to use and interact with every day on digital platforms. Our solutions are carefully crafted to reach, engage, and influence audiences to interact with our clients' brands, their products, and services in a way that really resonates with them. We develop creative for digital, mobile, retail, out-of-home experiences, and complex technology development and solutions. The Laced team brings a practical, grounded approach to everything we do, demonstrated through a can-do attitude, professional accountability, and a collaborative approach to solving challenges. We're a team of thinkers, dreamers, constructors, builders, innovators, and collaborators. We connect what we imagine with the means to get it done while producing tangible and measurable results. At Laced Interactive, we value hard work, the human spirit, and the idea that the solution doesn't exist, we can create it. And it all starts with a great idea.